Welcome to meviy, where your ideas move from concept to reality faster than ever. In today's fast-paced world, time matters. That's why our AI-powered platform streamlines your workflow. Simply upload your 3D CAD file, and we handle the rest. Today, we'll walk through 4 exciting new feature updates designed to save you even more time and cost. Let's take a closer look at 4 powerful new features in meviy designed to make your workflow faster and more precise. With AI-powered shape recognition, meviy instantly quotes even the most complex freeform surfaces, like angled cuts, bottom radii, and smooth contours. That means faster, more accurate quoting, and less manual back and forth. With AI-powered shape recognition, meviy instantly quotes even the most complex freeform surfaces. Instead of uploading parts one at a time, you can now upload a single CAD file with up to 100 solid bodies. Meviy automatically splits and organizes everything into projects, so you can manage designs more efficiently right inside the project viewer. Meviy now supports larger part sizes and tapped holes up to M36. Engineers can instantly quote parts up to 1000 by 600 by 70 millimeters. That's about 40 by 24 by 3 inches. For even bigger builds, like base plates and rails, manual quotes are available up to 2000 millimeters and 200 millimeters thick. And finally, meviy now supports inch tap and thread for milling and turning and 82 degrees ANSI standard countersunk holes for sheet metal from 0 up to 7/8 inch, with available sheet thicknesses up to 1/2 inch thick and 59 inches long. This allows for a wider selection of hardware and component options to provide greater flexibility and reduced costs. With these 4 updates, meviy makes it easier than ever to take your designs from concept to reality. Faster, smarter, and more precise. From AI-powered shape recognition to assembly uploads, expanded CNC capabilities, and ANSI-Inch Hardware Capabilities, each feature is built to save you time and reduce cost. Discover how meviy can transform your next project today.